right, time to take a look at the ULIBERMAGNET super powerful 1,000 pound fishing magnet. It even says on here extremely powerful. There's warnings all over here, and that is because this thing really goes beyond what a toy is. This is a very powerful magnet. Okay, cool. So this is not just a magnet, this is actually a full-on kit. So we got some gloves, which is going to be great because if you're going to be pulling onto this line, you want to be able to protect your skin. That is not a joke. That is some heavy-duty line. So that's awesome. I like seeing that. They do have it properly sealed on the end, so it's not going to be fraying apart. That's very good. And yeah, that looks like a very nice line. I might actually be using that for other things. So we got a Velcro strap, we have a zip tie, and we have a scraper. This, good deal. This is the star of the show. One of the things I always look for on this is that this, because this is basically screw-on, will it come apart? Because if you're going to be tugging and pulling on this thing, you don't want this thing to be spinning off and then lose the magnet. But yeah, that's definitely on there nice. We got a full stainless steel carabiner on here, so that's going to be good. It's not going to be rusting or anything like that, and it's not going to be attracted to the magnet itself. It does have a lock on there, so we don't have to worry about that thing falling off. And this is definitely a heavy magnet. If this locks onto something, if you're doing magnet fishing with this, and this locks onto something like a flat plate or something like that, and you can't lift whatever it's attached to, you might just have to cut the line because this is a strong magnet. Now, if you are locking onto something that's super heavy duty and you got a couple of guys that you can use to pull it up, you can lift things out of the water with this that you're not going to be able to lift out with other magnets. And we got a little bag to keep everything together. So that's nice. So this is what I intend to use it for. This is a fishing leader, but not a water fishing. This is for fishing through walls. So this is designed where you attach some wire, typically some Romex, onto this end, and you can stick this down a wall and you can pull that down the wall. Now these kits are pretty expensive, but I can buy this by itself, and I hope I can use that 1,000 pound magnet to pull this thing around. And I would be surprised if it doesn't work. There we go. Yeah, that is going to work no problem. That has an extremely strong attraction to that. So yeah, that is going to work perfectly well for my project, and I'm going to save some money just by using this. So just by feel, this is actually stronger than the regular ones that come with this, so this is going to work perfect for my projects. And if I have to pull through some like really thick insulation or something like that, where the other magnet is going to be able to pull this, this is going to do the trick. That's awesome. So yeah, overall, that is a very nice kit.